Today I'm going to teach you how I do my brows. The first thing that I do is I groom my brows. Kasi kapag groomed na yung brows mo, it will be easier for you to fill it in and to follow your own natural brow shape. There are 4 ways of grooming your brows. It's shaving, threading, plucking, and waxing. And when you're done grooming your brows, you have to know the products that you're going to use. There are 3 products that I use for my brows. It's the eyebrow pomade, an eyebrow pencil, and a brow mascara. Kapag gusto ko yung natural brows lang ganon, I use an eyebrow pencil. And when I want those Instagram on FLEEK brows, I use both. And to set my brows, I use a brow mascara. You can also use brow powders and liquid brow products. Now, when doing your brows, you have to know what type of brow you want to do on yourself. Ako kapag everyday makeup lang, I choose to do the natural brows. But when I'm doing creative, glam looks, ganon, I want the Instagram on FLEEK brows. Pero there are still days that I feel extra, and kapag sinisipag ako, when I have the time, I do the Instagram faded brow looks, ganon. But it's all about preference. Nasa sa inyo yan, what type of brow you want to do on yourself. Kasi hindi sa lahat ng oras bagay yung, like the Instagram brows, hindi sa lahat ng tao bagay yun, mas prefer nila yung natural brows, ganon. So I'm going to teach you 2 ways of how I do my brows. The first is the natural brows. And the second is the Instagram on FLEEK brows. Ang una kong gagawin yung natural brows. Clip my hair para walang sagabal. Then, you will need a brow pencil. I'll be using the Benefit Precisely My Brow. Then you also need a spoolie kasi you'll brush the hair upwards para makita niyo yung shape ng brows niyo. Then, when drawing, kailangan very light-handed kayo para hindi kayo mag-create ng harsh lines kasi we are trying to achieve the, ano ba to? The natural brows. Ayan. Start here sa may dulo. Then, fill your brows in a very, very soft way para hindi siya magmukhang harsh. Now when filling in your brows, follow your hair strands. Just fill it in. Dito naman sa ng brows nyo, you will imitate the hair strands. Yan. Do you see the difference? Teka, blend natin yung harap. Always use your spoolie to blend the products. Do you see the difference? This is more filled in rather than this brow. But it still looks natural. So, if you're not satisfied kung gusto niyo siya medyo may kulay pa, dagdagan pa natin. Do you see the difference? Mas mukhang filled in to kaysa dito. Kasi nakikita niyo yung sparse areas. Yung parang may mga parts na walang buhok. Tapos dito, they're all filled in, but it still looks natural. You can finish your brows by concealing them, but I prefer not to. Kasi kapag concealed siya, magmumukha siyang very shaped, ganun. It won't look natural. But it's up to you. I just prefer not to. Now let's do the Instagram on Fleek faded brows. Dito medyo magtatagal tayo because I like precise brows, the crisp and very clean brow. First, we're going to outline the brows using an eyebrow pencil. Then the same step, brush your hair upwards. Then create a line under. Start in the middle part. We're outlining because we want to create the shape. We won't be putting any product dito sa inner part ng brows natin, dito sa may nahan. Then we're going to line the upper part of the brows. I'll be using the LA Girl Brow Pomade and a flat brush to fill in my brows. We're going to start at the end of the brows para ma-achieve natin yung faded. We're going to start sa end. Follow the outline that we created and just fill in your brows. Kaya tayo nag-outline para mas madali na natin i-shape yung brows natin when we use a pomade. Following the outline, just follow the outline. Fill it in. There. Now this looks more pigmented than this one. Nakikita nyo ba yung faded effect na niya? Because we didn't put any product dito sa unahan. Now, whatever left on the brush, we're going to slightly put it here. Very, very light-handed because you don't want it to look dark. Then, get your spoolie get your spoolie and blend the product. There. After that, we're going to clean our brows with the concealer and the flat brush. This is where the magic begins. Kasi honestly, if you use concealer on your brows, mas makikita mo yung shape ng brows. I'm going to start here. Sa may arch ng brows ko. Kaya no worries if ever na you overlined it or such, kasi we're going to clean it with a concealer naman. We're going to outline again. Follow the brow shape. Now we're going to blend the concealer. Using the same brush. And if you want to use your fingertips, that would also be okay. Now I'm going to use my pinky finger to blend out the edges. Now do you see the difference of this brow from this brow? This is how I do the Instagram on FLEEK brows. I'll just do the other brow and we're done. I almost forgot, we're going to set the brows with the brow mascara. I'm using the Maybelline Fashion Brow Mascara. This is to set your brows and keep it in place. There. Always remember that your brows are sisters and they're not twins, but make it as even as possible. And it's all about preference. It is what looks best on you and what suits you. I hope that I helped you with your kilay struggles and that you learned something new. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell down below to get notified whenever I post. Follow my social media accounts. My Facebook is Trish Contreras and my Instagram is Trish_Contreras, where I post my creative looks and makeup photos. Yeah, bye guys!